Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I can't believe I'm uploading weekly. It's fucking amazing so far. Today, we have my good friend Aidan and his 1 litre EcoBoost. It's not too bad, I'm not gonna lie. So Aidan, I've got a couple of questions for you. First question, what inspired you to start modifying a 1 litre Fiesta?
I mean, I've had it a while, so it's just, something I wanted to do, something I felt like doing. There were a couple of my mates that started modifying them, and I just wanted to get into it.
Yeah, makes sense. So how long have you owned it, and then when did you start modifying it?
I'm in my 3rd year of ownership, and I started modifying it almost immediately.
Oh, that's pretty good. What was your first mod?
Oh, I don't even know. I think it was maybe the induction kit. Or the exhaust.
Induction or exhaust?
Yeah.
That's not too bad. It's probably the first place I'd start.
Yeah.
I think it was the first place I started, actually. Exhaust. What else we got? Let's have a look at some more questions. How much power is it running?
Standard it runs 125. At the
Yep.
minute it's running roughly 170.
So, what, 10 horsepower off a ST, basically?
Yeah, near enough.
Just without the tax.
yeah, exactly.
That's not too bad. So, what was the map that you got from it?
It was a Scottish brand, Lard Performance or Lard Performance, I'm not sure which way you say it.
Performance,
Lead
yeah.
Performance. It's just a stage 1 flash map. I got it when I went to Ford Fair a couple of years ago. It was me and my mate, and we just thought, you know what, we'll go for it.
That's not too bad. I don't know what else to really ask. I've got a full list here. How's it handled to you when it was original?
Compared
Can you remember when it was original?
Well, I had a Fiesta as well before this one.
Yeah.
So I ended up writing off my old one, unfortunately, and then
I'm getting a picture of that.
Yeah, kind of panicked by. I just bought another one. Something I understood. I knew it. I knew how it handled already. And even this compared to that originally, so much better because the Zetecas are lowered by I think it's 10mm from standard over the Zetex.
Yeah.
So already it was a massive improvement, and then now it's got the drop links that are all adjustable. It's on a set of coilovers. It's got the wider alloys.
Do you remember what brand coilovers?
Do you remember what brand coilovers it was? Pro Sports.
I love how you're asking my cameraman.
Oh yeah. I live with bloody camera.
So Pro Sport coilovers, Calibra alloys.
Yeah,
are they?
Calibra Neos.
Calibra Neos.
Yes.
Ooh. I didn't expect you to actually know the actual name of them. So what modifications you got on the outside of the car, just for aesthetic wise?
So as far as aesthetics go, there's kind of a little carbon fibre theme if you hadn't already noticed it. I've got the low line kit, I've got the mirrors, the roof was properly professionally wrapped. There's the ducktail on the back.
Who wrapped it, sorry?
It was done by, oh my fucking god, what are the name? Ram Tints. Oh, I'm so pissed off I forgot that.
Ram Tints.
Yeah, Ram Tints.
Yeah, Ram Tints.
In Retford. They're actually a very nice company.
Yeah, need to get mine done.
I know.
Definitely need to get mine done.
And then other little bits is like the chameleon tint. I've got the AirTech sunstrip.
Yeah.
And I've got like the custom lights on the outside and the back. All the tint on the windows. Nothing major, I guess. Just little bits to make it that much nicer.
Yeah, just normal ST mods.
Yeah.
Well, Fiesta mods. I've got a notification saying my missus is online.
Excellent.
Any other future plans for it?
Not really.
What did you say?
Fuck off. That's not a future plan, that's a certainty.
Yeah, any mods?
But, no, there's not really any plans. It's at a place where I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
I enjoy driving it, as a daily.
Oh, yeah.
If it was, say, a track car or, if I was trying to build it as a project car, then it might be something a bit different. But for what I'm using it as right now, it's perfectly suited.
Yeah, it's a very nice car anyway. I do like it. Right, mods for the inside.
Oh.
What mods have you got on the inside? I can already see ST seats.
Yeah, so I've got
it's
just the front 2 ST seats.
Yep.
Mainly bought them for the heated seats. but they are also much nicer to sit in.
Oh yeah.
Thoroughly enjoy them.
I should know.
I've got a rear seat delete kit.
Yep.
I cannot remember the brand that I bought that from. I've got.
Maybe my cameraman knows.
Yeah, does the cameraman know?
No, cameraman doesn't.
Cameraman is signaling now. I've got a full custom steering wheel.
Yep.
Not any carbon fibre or anything, but just, you know, nice solid ergonomic grips and perforated leather and stuff.
Yep.
I've got some of the light up sill guards that are the full lighting kits.
Mhm.
You know, different gear knob. There's loads of little bits again, and then I changed out the headliner as well. It was the like tan one or
Oh, the
whatever.
original.
Yeah, like the original
original
grey one, I
Yeah.
guess. And I just changed it out to full black just to
So that,
complete the look,
ST
I guess.
One, basically.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too bad. Any plans for shows or anything like that?
Not as of right now, but
I mean,
buy tickets.
My
to Ford
cameraman
Fair?
has just said Ford Fair, and I'm going to Ford Fair, so.
Okay, well we're going to Ford Fair then. But yeah, I mean Ford Fair, maybe a couple of little car meets.
Yeah.
It'll be nothing major. It's not exactly going to Gravity, but you know.
Which are we going to go to?
Yeah, I know. Tell me about
Give me
it.
tickets.
You heard him.
Well, apart from that, do you want to give it a rev and everything like that? We'll have a sound test and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, Aidan, what's it like living with this then? How much it costs? Fuel, tax, insure, all that good shit.
Well, I
that we all
mean,
enjoy.
obviously being an EcoBoost, they're tax free,
Oh, yeah.
which is wonderful.
Mm.
My insurance, like I said, I'm in my 3rd year, so I think it cost me like 1,300, something similar to that.
Fully declared, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
And then running, it's, you know, I fill it up every week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's 50, 60 quid.
That's not too bad,
If
I
that.
suppose.
And in terms of maintenance, they're not even remotely close to bad.
Until you need to do a work belt.
Well, yeah, I mean, until you need to do a wet belt, but then that's just an EcoBoost problem.
Well, yeah. Well, it's not even just an EcoBoost problem. Apparently, we're on fucking Peugeots, Fiats, all
Well,
sorts of shit.
Need to book their ideas up then, don't they,
Yeah,
really?
I know, innit? Need to get a better engine.
Yeah.
I think you should drop a 1.6 in
Oh, Christ.
it. Next modification.
Of course.
Definitely not on the channel.
No.
Oh, yeah. Right. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Drop a like, subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Really?
3 minutes in.